Hi everyone, I am Neil Trevett. I work on developer ecosystems at NVIDIA and I am president of the Khronos Group. And I'm happy to have the opportunity to speak here today to give you an overview of Khronos Open Standards for Embedded Vision Processing. If you haven't met us before, Khronos is a non-profit standards consortium that is open to any interested company, and all our standards are royalty-free for the industry to use. Our focus is on enabling applications to access the power of 3D graphics, virtual and augmented reality, and parallel computation, including vision processing and inferencing. Last year was our 20th anniversary, and we have almost 160 members from around the world, from the largest corporations through to small startups. Here are the standards currently being most actively developed by Khronos. There are 3D acceleration APIs, including Vulkan and OpenCL, initiatives around 3D asset formats, including GLTF, the OpenXR API standard for portable, augmented, and virtual reality, and on the right, a family of APIs and languages for parallel computation, vision acceleration, and inferencing, including OpenCL, SYCL, SPIR, and OpenVX, which is where we're going to be focusing today. This is how Khronos standards for parallel computation relate to each other. There is increasing interest in parallel processing acceleration to combat the end of Moore's law, as processor frequency scaling gives way to parallel programming as an effective way to deliver needed performance. At the lowest level, closest to the hardware, Vulkan is used for programming GPUs, and OpenCL enables software to use any mix of available heterogeneous processors. Both OpenCL and Vulkan provide parallel acceleration of shaders or kernel programs compiled to Khronos' SPIR-V intermediate language. SYCL and OpenVX, shown here on the top row, are higher-level programming frameworks for increased application portability across diverse processors. SYCL enables parallel programming using standard C++, and OpenVX uses a graph abstraction to express vision and inferencing functionality. SYCL and OpenVX may be accelerated by the lower-level Khronos APIs, but that is a choice that's left to the implementer.